Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Hidaya.com is one of the leading online institutions offering Quran classes for adults and children. We are one of the pioneers of providing services such as Quran teaching online with Tajweed, by taking the help of modern technology and making use of it to spread the knowledge of Islam globally. The aim of all the scholars and teachers at QH Academy is to make learning Quran online a seamless and efficient experience. Visit our website www.quranhidaya.com.
All the doubts of the students are cleared after every session and they are supported, instructed and guided whenever needed. They are also welcome to interact with the teachers and understand the concepts at their ease and flexibility to make this teaching and learning program more successful and interesting.
Then go to the fees package page and scroll down slightly to click Start 3 days free demo now. Use WhatsApp web. Say hi, then we will reply typically as soon as possible.